What do you actually need to create content that gets you views and makes you money? Do you need a fancy mic, a full studio, and expensive gear? Or can you just use your phone, some free apps, and $20 product to start creating content and adds money to your bank? If I had to start over from scratch, this is exactly what I would use. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing or digital marketing and you're feeling overwhelmed by all the tools that's out there, I've been there. I remember looking at other creators and thinking to myself, there's no way I could afford all this stuff just to get started. But the truth is, you don't need much. So in this video, I will break down exactly what I would use today if I were starting with zero audience, zero setup, and a tight budget. One thing I tell beginners, do not wait until you have the perfect setup. You don't need a fancy camera, a full studio. You just need a few simple tools that will help you show up and stay consistent. I made my first $1,000 online using my phone, some natural light from the window, and some free editing apps. So don't let gear stop you. Now let's break down exactly what you need and what you don't. You only need three things: a decent smartphone, mic to improve your audio, a simple lightning station, and that could be a ring light or a clip-on light. For the mic, I use lavalier mic that clips on easily. It also has noise cancellation that you can plug into your phone and you can film around your kids or in public, and I'll also leave you a link down below in the description. For lightning, I use clip-on light. It attaches to your phone, to your laptop. It's super great if you're filming in small places or on the go. If you're at home and you want something brighter, then a basic ring light will do the job as well. Even if you use natural lighting from the window, it can do the job. For stability, I use the same ring light stand. It comes with a phone holder. It's 2-in-1, no more stacking your box or leaning your phone on a coffee mug. I will drop all the links to the tools that I just mentioned. You can check them out on Amazon. They're beginner friendly and also budget friendly. Now let's talk tools for editing and creating your content. For editing, I keep it super simple. I use CapCut, InShot. They're both available on your phone and your laptop, and they're super easy and they're free. For visuals like thumbnails, reels, and carousels, I use canva.com. It's drag and drop, and it makes your content looks pro even if you're not a designer. This one is big. I use ChatGPT to come up with ideas, write scripts, just like the video you're watching, captions, and even video hooks. It saves me hours. When you are ready to go beyond social media, which I highly recommend, here are a list of tools that I would use to build a real business. For email marketing, I use System.io to follow up with leads and automate my emails. For funnels or lead capture, I also recommend you use System.io. It's 2-in-1 tool, beginner friendly, and works super well with affiliate marketing. Plus, it's free. And if you want step-by-step help launching your online business, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the same challenge that got me started. Here is the truth. The gear does not matter nearly as much as your consistency. You don't need the perfect setup. You just need a decision to start and a reason to keep going. So don't overthink it. Pick one tool, hit record, and start posting, because your content could be the thing that changes someone's life, including your own. If this video gave you clarity, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.